Hello everyone, welcome back to another Tech Series episode. Today we're going to be talking about a basic cable extension kit, guys. It is a simple mod for you guys that don't know that goes inside the system. I got the Cablemod edition, guys. I got the blue and black to go with the logo. It's the 24 pin and then 2 6x2s and a 4x4. This is a basic kit. You can pick up a full kit for about $100. I got the basic one because it's the only ones that you can really see because my card is so big it blocks all the SATA cables. So I don't need the full kit. It's the first time I ever dealt with this, guys, before. So if you guys are watching this video, you guys want to see a tutorial, I'm going to do that as well. You guys get to see step by step how I do it. And that's basically, guys, it's nothing too extreme. They're like 40. I paid $40 Canadian for this. I think it's $30 American. But you know, if you guys are into aesthetics, colors, lights, RGB, this is probably something you guys want to get into. So you guys will get to see what it looks like before and what it looks like after. If there's any improvements aesthetically wise. But let's get started, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to leave a like below. And if you guys are new to the channel, subscribe. All right, guys. Let's open them up. Let's do like a little unpackaging. I don't have a knife. Screwdriver works always, guys. So I received these in the mail like 2 days after I finished the K500 build. So I wasn't planning on putting them in the video anyways. I just thought I would do a separate video because I've never dealt with them before and I figured it would be good content for you guys. They're a little stiff, actually. A little stiff. I imagine that's probably pretty normal. Smells new. Look at that. Now there's lots of there's a few companies out there, guys, that makes different ones. There's other companies where the cables are a little bit stiffer, so they don't move around as much as these ones do. But I think there's combs for them, guys, so we can you know, line them up in the combs as much as we want to make them look good. Can't find the pulley tab for this. Look better, I had my camera at a different angle, but whatever. It's the 4 pin. Or no, sorry, this is the 8 pin, the CPU. There we go, guys. These are, oh no. Yeah, I'm right, I'm wrong. Okay, whatever. There we go, guys. There's all the cables. They're a little stiff, and I might have to let them sit out for a little bit. We'll see. I'm kind of okay if they're stiff. I kind of want them to be straight in the case instead of like all wonky. So that's the cables, and it comes with a comb kit, guys. A comb kit. These are just these little combs that go on the cables. Obviously, it's pretty explainable. I think they go on in the middle of them. You guys can see anything I'm doing. They go in the middle like that, and you just flip them up and attach them, I believe. Yeah, I'm gonna get the computer taken apart, guys. Get everything out and open for you guys to look at it, and we'll get started with this tutorial. Guys, that is Cablemod. I will leave the link below in the description for you guys if you guys want to purchase them yourselves. There is bigger kits, like I said, for your whole system if you want to do the whole entire thing. I mean, I could see if you had your SSDs mounted on the bottom, it would look cool with the colors, but I do not. I have them mounted on the side, and you're not even going to be able to see it. So let's get started, guys, and we'll be right back. once you kind of got these cables kind of bent the way you want them to go, still not really gonna go too well, I guess. But you have these little combs you're gonna fit onto it to keep them nice and straight like that. That's obviously the kind of look you want, right? You don't want it to be all messy and gross. Once you do that, you're gonna pop her in there. Really simple. It's like building little Legos. Big Legos, expensive ass Legos. Look at that. I'll play with these combs a little bit afterwards when we're managing the cables, but it's pretty good, guys. I'm gonna pop on, these are the GPU ones. I got 2 of them. This card takes 2 6x2s or 2 8x8s, whatever you want. This one should be relatively easy. They're gonna bend right underneath it anyway, so. It's too bad I didn't have 2 of them. I could have connected them both. I mean, there's probably something I could do. I could probably put these. No, I'm not breaking them now. I should make one like that, though. That'd be a good idea. That you can connect them all. Just a 8x8 comb. It's just so. It's not kind of finicky. This is gonna be the most exciting video, guys. Like I said before, you're not gonna get them where you want them, and then put them on. I'm liking the blue and black though, it's nice. The blue's kind of not too dark. See what I was saying, like, if they had a connector, you can connect these two, that would be a little bit more pleasing to the eye. I mean, I could probably put one of these 3s in there, because I'm not going to use these ones. Let's see. Yeah, that's alright. We've got a lot of combs on there, you're not gonna see them anyway, it's gonna be underneath the graphics card. You kinda gotta work with them, guys. Get them where you want them to go. That's alright though, I like that. I like the way it looks. Let's pop this through the hole here. And I'll pop some on the back too, just kinda clean it up a little more. That's alright. Kind of getting a little jumbled up here. It's alright. I want to play with them a bit. Guys, this is the rat's nest back here. It is a mess. I'm just gonna bring you guys around here to show you what it looks like. I'm gonna have to tighten this cable system up back here. I'm gonna strap this down here, somewhere in here. Anyways, this is the 24 pin for the motherboard. And this is the graphics card, guys. I'm gonna have to obviously tighten these cables up. It's gonna be most of the box of back pieces. The panel's not gonna go back on. I cannot talk, apparently. I'm sat outside a wall, so it's probably hella really crazy echoey for you guys. One day I'll have a proper studio. Whether it be in my house or at the shop, we'll see. So guys, I'm gonna clean up all these cables, tuck them in here, wrap them up, and this will all be tight. I'm gonna do that off camera. You guys won't see that's gonna take a while. But yeah, that's where we're at, guys. Okay, guys. So I'm all finished up with the cables. It's kind of a mess. So don't worry about these guys. These are two separate chambers. This is for the RGB fans and the cooling system. It looks like this because the splitter only had 3 connectors on it, so I had to add an extra connector, and I didn't have a hue to hook it all up to. So this is what I've got for now, guys. We'll be actually changing all that down the line. But yeah, so I moved them all over here. I moved the cables from over here to here. Just gotta leave room for this. There's no way to get this stick here. It's not flat on the back, so I can't put any adhesive on the back of it or anything. So I'm just gonna have to press it down and close the case. But it's you know, it's cleaned up. It's not too bad. This is a mess over here. But yeah. It's alright, guys. Here's the 24-pin. Here's the 2 6x2s, and then here's the CPU. I wasn't gonna put the CPU in because you can't even really see it anyways. You guys will see in a second, but that's about it. Took a little bit of time, some cutting. I ran out of the zip ties, so I had to use cables. I forget what they're called, but yeah. Like I said at the start of the video, guys, I said that you're gonna have to play around with these combs because you can still see them, and obviously when the lights are on, you'll be able to see them even more. They'll be shinier. So I'm gonna push them all back, guys, play around with them. But I mean, it's kind of cool. It turned out really nice. I didn't know they do have a cable mod for these things, a wrap that goes around them. Maybe we'll look into that later on. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty good, guys. It adds a little bit of flair to the case. I mean, if you're into that kind of stuff, if you're not, then it doesn't really matter. And this video is not for you, but I think it turned out pretty good. That was the Cablemod basic cable extension kit. Just like the basic kit, guys, wasn't the $100 kit. This was just a $40 kit. All I needed for my system, like I said earlier, no reason to use a SATA connection, something like that. If I had a smaller card and a little bit more open case, I think it was a great full kit. Maybe we'll do that sometime, guys. I'm happy with how it turned out. Would I recommend it to anybody? Yes, I'd recommend it if you guys can afford the $40 in the budget, or even the down the line. Get them; they look really good. Maybe even a white kit would glow a lot better because there's black lighting. Like I sometimes will use a dark purple, and would probably glow a lot better. The blue like pops really nice, and you can't even see the black, so it's kind of just the blue. Looks really good, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave a like below, leave a comment below if you guys have any questions or tips or nothing of that sort. But I will see you guys again on the next video. I don't have nothing planned right now. Maybe we'll do a review of the case. I'll let you guys know what I think of it. I'm not sure. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.